Welcome to Animation Print. Today we are going to learn how to use our MOOC machine. For today we need a printer, our computer with the design that we are going to stamp on the MOOCs, and don't forget that the paper, the ink and the tape, they have to be special for sublimation. The result on the MOOCs depends on the quality of the products that you use for stamp the MOOC. Let's go to our lab and check the process to stamp the MOOCs.
We must choose the appropriate resistance depending on the product we want to stamp, because it can change the size or the shape depending on each product. To place it in the correct way, we must adjust it with the clips and connect it to the controller. Be careful with the cables because they can be damaged. Remember that inside the resistance must put a blank MOOC without the stamping, when the machine is off or on or during the heading, to prolong the duration of the resistance. Also, to adjust the pressure of the MOOC. The first step is to connect the power cable to the controller. Then plug it into the power and turn on the machine. After turning on the machine, we can set the maximum and minimum temperature with the mode button. With the arrows we increase or decrease the temperature. We also configure the time with the mode button. Remember that the table of times and temperatures can be found in the video description or on our website. During the time that the machine reaches its adequate temperature, we can place the impression with sublimation ink and sublimation paper in the MOOC with the special thermal tape. When the machine reaches its adequate temperature, we can carefully remove the MOOC by taking it from the air, because it is the only part of the MOOC that does not heat up, and insert the MOOC with the impression. Additionally, we must adjust the pressure so that it has a medium-high pressure. To start the process, we press the square button to start continued time. It is normal for the temperature to drop due to the thermal shock, but then it will be increased again. When we listen a continuous sound, we can silence it with the square button. This means that the machine has finished the process. We can remove it by taking it from the air. To finish the operation of the machine, we put a white MOOC without a stamp inside the machine to prolong the useful life of the resistance and turn off the machine. Finally, we can verify in some of the corners of the MOOC that it has been stamped in the correct way and that the paper has thrown as much ink as possible. Like in this case. The next step is only for ceramic MOOCs, not for glass MOOCs. Is to obtain the best results, and is to immerse the ceramic MOOC in a container with water. Try to make this process as fast as you can.
Okay, we are back from the lab. Now you know that it's a really easy process and the experience was really nice. We are going to put in the descriptions all the temperature and the time that you need to use for different products. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video.